Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Dart with Zoom, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Dart with Zoom, first, ensure you have a Zoom account. Visit the Zoom developer portal and sign in. Create a new app by selecting the appropriate option. Choose the app type that suits your integration needs. Fill in the required information, including the app name and description. After saving, take note of your API key and secret. Next, install the necessary Dart packages by adding dependencies in your pubspec.yaml file. Open your Dart project in your preferred IDE. Run the command to fetch the packages to ensure everything is up to date. Now, create a new file for Zoom API interactions. Import the necessary libraries at the top of your Dart file. Set up your API client using the API key and secret. Create functions to handle authentication and API requests. Define a function to initiate the Zoom meeting. Use the Zoom API documentation for reference on the required parameters. Make sure to handle any errors that may occur during the requests. After setting up the basic functions, test your implementation within the Dart environment. Check the console for any output or errors from your API calls. Once you've confirmed everything works, you can customize further according to your specific needs. Implement additional features, such as joining meetings or retrieving user info. Finally, review your code and consider adding comments for clarity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.